One, go!
Ka-adventure dito ako ngayon sa City Hall ng Cabadbaran City. Ka-adventure, tara, samahan niyo ako at pasukin natin ang magandang City Hall ng Cabadbaran City. Yun. Yan. So dito ka-adventure ang venue ng mga trainings. Dito yung akyat ng ka-adventure papunta sa amin. Oh, amazing. Oh, amazing. So dito papunta sa amin din for the trainings. Ito yung second floor ka-adventure ng City Hall ng Cabadbaran. Dito kami sa Social Hall. Dito ang venue na training 4 days day. Wow. Yun. Love the Philippines. Hey, Mom. Yes, sir. Yan si Mom. Nakaganda ng smile. Hello, Mom. 3 years ago.
sa atong personahe gikan gyud sa Department of Tourism. We have Mr. Richard A. Amores, our resource speaker. naman, kung inyong mabantayan, ang turismo sa bawat mga probinsya ay Miss Caraga, ihatag siya tingnan sa syudad nila o sa probinsya nila. Kung ihatag mo galing na sa ilang local government, how much more kamo mga drivers, kamo dala sa mga bisita pa local business development. So dapat kamo sa history sa mga para kapalapara sa ato ang taputa na nung river na yung buong kaya ng pangalan. So kaya na ito pa. Nakahiga pa gusto dito ko na
okay, palakpakan natin sila. Okay, next is Makata Motorcycle Drivers Association or MAMODA. Pwede ko be closer. Okay, so sir. O, Abnor PUP. Asa man din ang nasa Abnor PUP. Okay, may contact sir. O, motorcycle or tricycle operators within the city po. Mga tricycle drivers na nasa city. Okay, maayong punta sa inyong kanan. O, karoon para po na ating gawin interaction na itong topic ko na itong pagkaka-introduce viewers for today, ang atong speaker na naman daw, huwag ikan presentation sa Surigao City na hindi siya alam makita ang mga kanan o ma-share ang inyong expertise and knowledge about tourists, drivers. Okay, atong speaker today is he is a managing provider. Managing provider of Surigao Travel Administration Shop, a travel and tour and tourism product development coach. He is also the chair of Surigao City Tourism Council Incorporated and a college lecturer of tourism. Atong palakpakan ang maayo o pinakabuturan na atong speaker sa DOD, si Mr. Richard D. A. Amor. Atong palakpakan.
buhay mabuhay
Seminar.
seminar na ako'y
Tolgo.
ay ibuka ay buka lang o disiplina sa mga kailangan na si Mayor
Sabihin daw gamay po.
Excellent hospitality. Through the FPSE, we ensure that the positive values of Filipinos are perpetuated across the tourism value chain. And by doing so, we support the President's privatization of tourism because we ensure the upliftment of the quality of tourism services, which then, of course, translates to higher tourism revenue, repeat tourists, and a positive climate for tourism overall.
The pioneering mission of the Filipino brand of service excellence was initiated by the Office of Tourism Standards and Regulations of the DOT as early as 2013. To elevate and professionalize how Filipinos provide inclusive and anticipative tourism services, implement service recovery, and handle feedback and complaints.
Setting the goal of 100,000 at the beginning of this year came as a shock to everyone, but we've seen the numbers as we have now reached 124,000 Filipinos trained under FPSE. We foresee that the Philippines will firmly cement its role as the center for hospitality and service excellence in Asia. It has gone beyond the periphery of the tourism value chain because now the program has expanded to other sectors as well. Just in the first 10 months of this year, tourism has already given to our economy over 404 billion.
Ka-adventure ito yung lunch namin ngayon sa Cabadbaran City. Yan, lemon rice, pork caldereta, At syempre, ito isa na masarap. Lipstick. At, katakam-takam na saging. Yan. Kain na rin pag may time ka picture. It's a lunch time. Nag-lunch na ka-picture. Happy lunch lahat, ka-picture.
Atong palakpakan si Sir Richard Lee. We will also give the certificate of token of appreciation to our resource speaker, ang aming Department of Tourism at LCU Cababaras.
Magsenta lang kayo mo, ma'am. Magsenta lang ko, kaya?
Bye!